Hi everyone, this is AfreenAli. I bring the video. What is the difference between to the engineers, site engineers, and design engineers, and QA/QC engineer and inspection engineers? So I will tell you we have in construction sites two and three types of the companies. We have a consultant company one is the contractor company, and one is the you have to say like the maintenance company. So three type of the companies we are working here in the Gulf regions. So consultant firm I have to come. Consultant firm basically there is a design and supervision sites. They're working with the design side and supervision sites. So the design engineers, what the design engineer functions like that. See, design engineer at least 10-year experience with design sites and in the construction sites. So you have to say like that. So if you have experience is 10 years or 5 years or 7 years, so you can work as a design engineer. So in design engineer there is a senior engineer and the AutoCAD operator. Design engineer make the design, they can be make to the layout, they will be study the drawing of architecture, opening and many things. So they will make the design like that and calculations, everything they will make the drawing first of all for design. And AutoCAD operator will can be work with this the design engineer, designer, and they can work it. After the designs, so they approve like that, they call to the contractors and contractors come and bid these drawings with the client. So contractor will be getting this drawing and get the project. For example, so contractor sites they have a three type of engineers. One is the senior design engineer, one is a site engineers, and one is QA/QC engineers. And after that this is a foreman, and this is supervisor and foreman. So this is like the sequence. So when the contractor will be get the project from the consultant or client, so first they will take the design and they will review the design. So they will when they will be review the design, so there is the design engineer with the contractor, and they will be review the design is correct, and whatever we bidded this one, for example the 1 million they bidded like that. So this is 1 million he cost, or this is a more than, maybe there is a mistake with the design engineer in consultant firm. So they will check the everything. After that they will be check it this one, they given to the site engineer. Site engineer will be take these drawings and we start to the work with the construction. When they will be start to the work of construction, so site engineers ask to the QC, we have to work with this one. So QC and site engineer both together sit together and make the shop drawings. Okay, shop drawings, they will be how to the work this one. So in design section, in the design drawings, which is the consultant made it, there is a several mistake like that. So they will be they will rectified and fulfill all the mistakes. And after that they will be make the shop drawings, and shop drawing after that QA/QC engineer, site engineer, and AutoCAD operator, they sit together and they will make the shop drawings. And after that they will be start to the construction, they given to the supervisor will be, supervisor will be give to the foreman and the foreman. And after that foreman give to the this is a skilled labor, they can work started. And after that they complete the work as per the drawing. So they will inform to the supervisor will be check it the drawings, all the drawings. So after checking the drawing, supervisor call to the QA/QC engineer. QA/QC engineer come and check with this is okay or not okay, or they will be check with the specification as per the drawing is the work is done. So then they will be make the RFI. RFI may request field inspection reports, or FIR field inspection reports. Use I like they make the like that. So they make the blow up sketch. I mean blow up sketch mean they will make the small drawing of this, and they put all the dimension like that with help of the AutoCAD operator. So after that they will be show to the site engineer. Site engineer will be check the drawing is okay, and they will be check with the QA/QC engineer, and as well with the site supervisor. They will visit this one and check the whole the things is okay or not okay. So if this is okay, so site engineer will be sign it and say raise the FIR for or RFI for consultant. So consultant is one consultant is a design consultant, one is a consultant of supervision consultant. Supervision consultant, when they bid this one, and the same consultant or the different consultant will be work with the client. The client after client down with consultant. So consultant will be work with the contractor and check all the work. After that, the work is okay, the consultant will be okay, say this is work is okay, then they will pay it. So like that, this is a procedure. So they will be they will be submit to the RFI or FIR to the consultant project manager will be receive this one document controller, and they will be sign this one, they give to the senior engineer. Who is the senior engineer available? Senior engineer will be check this FIR or RFI, this is okay or whatever okay. So they will be give to the inspection engineer or inspector to check this work. So QAQC will be come on the time on the site, and the inspection engineer or you say the inspector will become the same time together to the site. So they will be check the material specification, what the material in mentioned in the drawing or document, this is okay or not okay as per the material this tall or not. For example, they say we use a class 4 pipe and they use class 3 pipe, so this is not acceptable. So class 4 pipe means class 4 pipe this tall like that. So they will be check the inspection from there, the the material is okay. First of the inspection engineer will be check or inspector will be check the all the materials, because in the RFI they attach to the documents for a materials. So first they check the materials, after that they check the drawings, they as per drawing the installation that all the dimension is okay or whatever this one. If all the work is okay, slope is okay, and whatever this pipe installation for example whatever, so pipe for the pipe installation I will tell you. So they will raise the for toilet area for pipe installation. So first of all the the QAQC raise the FIR or RFI. So to consultant, senior engineer send the inspection engineer or inspector you say or junior engineer. So come to the site and check to the first of the pipe specification. This is as per specification, pipe is material available or not available. So they say this is okay for as per the available for inspection, this as per specification. So they will be checked to the installation first, how the stall is okay or not okay, what about the slope of the pipe is okay or not okay, and the length of the pipe is, the alignment is okay or not okay. They will check the alignment and everything in slopes and the supports as per the drawings, as per the specification, as per the plumbing code, they will check everything. So after that they will be check everything, and they will be say to the okay contractor, I will be raise the fire, you are raise the fire, I will be comment this one. If for example you have a little bit comments, inspection inspector have a little bit comment, they will put the little bit comment, and will be the A code or B code and C code. The code available is one code, A code, B code, C codes. So they will put the A code, B code, C code. A code is means work is okay, and B code is a work acceptable, but little bit after little bit of inspection, the little bit of the corrections. So and C code is the not acceptable, and D code is that in FIR they mention is the work is not completed. So four options there. So they will put it the option A or B like that mostly. And if work is not acceptable, they will be C. And the work is not done, they the maybe there is the work is remaining and there is the RFI or FIR or work is not completed. So it means they will be reject this FIR. So this is the work we do the consultant firm. So I think you understand it. The what is the work for a supervisor, what is the work for foreman, and what is the for side engineer, what is the work for a design engineer, and what is the work for design engineer, consultant design engineer, and inspection engineer. So this is a chart for follow chart like that. So I think you hope understand and prescribe my channels. Thank you. Bye bye. AfreenAli.